Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas day number 3. In today's video, we are going to be putting together some sensory bins. I have picked out 2 winter Christmas themed sensory bins to do for Lucas on his advent calendar. And then I'm also gonna throw in there another one that's not actually Christmas themed, but I've seen it before and I'm really just gonna put my own spin on it and put it together and show you what I do for that. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. I'm so excited to have you here. If you are new, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed today's content, and of course, give it a thumbs up before you leave. Let's go ahead and get to putting these bins together. Okay, so I am making a snow sensory bin, and these are I got these from the Dollar Tree. These are the figurines that I have for this bin. I'm going to make snow by mixing together some conditioner and baking soda. I've also seen you could do cornstarch and conditioner. We're gonna go with this and hopefully it works out. This is probably 2 cups about of baking soda. That is about 1/2 cup. Okay, so after mixing that together, I probably ended up using 3 cups of baking soda. This is just me eyeballing it to figure that out, so if you're not like that, then I'm sorry, but I used about 3 cups of baking soda and 1/2 cup of the conditioner. Also, I would recommend finding conditioner that doesn't have such a strong smell. This one did. I was just looking for cheap conditioner. Very, very fragrant. So, also, my bin is a little bit too big. This is for his advent, and so when I make it for his advent calendar, I think this one's closer to the end of the 25 days, but I'm probably going to make a lot more than this. So this is just for the purpose of the video. So maybe I would make a double batch when I actually do this for him. So
we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So next up is a dino sensory bin. So I typically would not use a tray like this when making a sensory bin. I would actually use the container that I used for the snow and the other one I'm going to make, but I am going to go ahead and let him play with this one today. So I'm going to go ahead and make it on the tray. Some of the snow from the sensory bin that I was showing you for the snow sensory bin. Obviously, if you don't make that ahead of time, then just use baking soda in its place and it should bubble just like this.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Santa Claus is probably bringing more Play-Doh for him, so we're going to use this up for this sensory bin.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
the third and final sensory bin is going to be a hot cocoa bin, and I don't have that many things to add to it, but maybe the day that we actually play with it, I'll add some more things from the kitchen. But basically, I just wanted him to be able to scoop with these, use his imagination. So that was my cocoa bin, and those are the 3 sensory bins that I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned to the very end to see Lucas playing with this little one that I put together for him to play with today. And remember, if you are new here, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. And if you're really enjoying Vlogmas, hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified when my next video comes out, which is actually 3-year-old gift ideas. So if you're still looking for a gift for a 3-year-old in your life for the holidays or for a birthday in the near future, this video will be for you. So I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day number 4.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We